What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Hope you guys are having a fantastic morning. Right now we are just pulling up to a Cars and Coffee event. It's right here on the South Coast, and there's gonna be a bunch of hypercars, so you know it's gonna be a banger video. So let's go check out some dope ass whips. First car we see, R8 R6. Ooh, that color's sick. See a Koenigsegg, all carbon. There's another Koenigsegg, there's another Koenigsegg, there's another Koenigsegg, there's a bunch of Koenigseggs. This is the world record right here. 277 miles per hour. This is the one that broke the world record. So sick. Sorry, fam. Dude, this color is so sick. The paint. And we got the Regera. I've seen this one a couple times. This one, I think they're gonna do like a giveaway of the little like model car. Oh yeah, look, it's right there. They're gonna give that away. This is the Vader. So sick, bro. Dude, look at the wing. So crazy. Pagani fiber. All carbon fiber. You can see it perfect right here with all carbon. I think, yeah, all carbon fiber. So crazy. SVJ 63 with the blue. Oh, what the heck? It's like faded. It's like faded in. This thing is so sick. The spec is so sick. The 63 too. Sheesh. And we got a Diablo. This one's the one that just pulled up where everyone's like surrounding it. I'm gonna go check the interior. I know you guys want to see that. Let's go check out the interior, bro. Sheesh. Another one. Damn. The white is sick. I like the doors, how they open. I like how they open, they like come out. R6 is so sick. Look at the wheels. Damn, I don't know, they're pretty huge. Even the color. The color's sick. I like the color. That color combo's sick. That's freaking low. Damn, I just painted. I'm pretty sure it's paint. This thing is sick. I like the color. Bro, this spec is so sick. God damn. Those blue wheels are so nice. Probably my favorite spec I've seen so far. So beautiful. I just wish that like everything was carbon though. The carbon fender, carbon. We're gonna go get some Jamba Juice. What is this? Single turbo? Church. Carbon.